everyone, my name is Jumeti Muslima. So in this video, I'm gonna do a news review for finish my reading assignment. So the title of the news is Climate Change Cause of Corridor Jakarta Floods, BMKG says. So climate change-driven global warming is a factor behind repeat instances of severe flooding across Corridor Jakarta since early January, including a flood that inundated parts of the capital on Tuesday, according to the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency or BMKG. BMKG Hit Dwi Korita Karnawati said the string of floods that hit Jakarta and its satellite cities over the past 2 months was a result of several changes. In addition to the increase of rainfall intensity and the continuation of extreme conditions, it turns out that the temperature of Indonesia has also significantly increased, Dwi Korita said. Dwi Korita said the BMKG recorded higher average temperatures in most Indonesian provinces last year compared to the average temperatures recorded in the same regions between 1981 and 2010. The highest was recorded in Banten and Riau Island between January and October 2019, with each province seeing an average temperature increase that was more than 1 degree Celsius higher than the temperatures recorded in the province between 1981 and 2010, according to BMKG data. In Jakarta, the average temperature last year was 0.82 degrees Celsius higher than the average temperature between 1981 and 2010. BMKG Head of Climate and Air Quality Information Siswanto say that between 80 and 66 and 2010, the annual temperature rise in Jakarta was 1.4 times higher compared to the global trend. So, this news talk about the climate change is causing flooding in Jabodetabek. So, Jabodetabek was hit by major flooding on Tuesday morning due to rain on Monday at 7 o'clock until 7 o'clock on Tuesday. Rainfall reached 278 mm per as a result of which 19,901 residents in 214 sub-districts in Jabodetabek were displaced due to flooding. BMKG Hit Dwi Korita Karnawati said that the floods that hit Jakarta and other cities were the result of global warming caused by climate change. Dwi Korita said BMKG recorded that Indonesia experienced an increase in temperature with each province recording an average temperature increase of more than 1 degree Celsius higher in 1981 and 2010. BMKG Head of Climate Information and Air Quality Siswanto say that between 18 and 66 and 2010, Jakarta's temperature rose about 1.4 times higher compared to global. Global in the same year increased with an average temperature of 0.86 degrees Celsius than Jakarta experienced. An increase as well with an average rate of 1.6 degrees Celsius. The head of the BMKG field said that the increase in emissions was caused by high carbon dioxide with industrial, transportation and deforestation triggering the change. He also said that Indonesia must be vigilant as these extreme weather and climate phenomena will continue to occur in the future from 2020 to 2040 if no mitigation measures are taken. So next we will discuss about the tenses and some strange words in the news. So we can see in the first paragraph The news was used the present tense, and there are inundate is a strange word. Its mean be flooded. And if we move in the next words, we found the causes. Causes it's mean careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. So the next is we get the occurrence. Occurrence it's mean an incident or an event. And we move into the next word is a torrential. Torrential it's mean falling rapidly and in copious quantities. And the second is a exceeded. And what is exceeded? Exceeded it's mean be greater in number or size than. So if we move again to the another words is we found a downpour, and downpour it's mean like a heavy rainfall. Besides that was used the present tense, the news also was used the perfect tense and the past tense in the sentence. So, in conclusion, this news talk about the provides information related to the floods that hit Jakarta and other cities. The floods are caused by climate change that caused by global warming, and it turns out that this global warming comes from increased emissions caused by carbon dioxide from transportation, industry, and deforestation. And the head of BMKG said Indonesia must be aware of this climate change issue. Okay guys, maybe that's all of me. Thank you so much for you all great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.